What's going on, guys? 2018 National Treasures 2-box Bogo number 1. This is to see what random team you will receive. We're going live. Timestamp is 9:55. I already have the teams in, minus the ones that were chosen and the ones that were automatically in the random. Dice has to be 4 or more. It is a 10 times. Wherever you line up in the spreadsheet, guys, is who you are going to get. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, last and final, number 10. Jets are on top. Whoever picks spot 1's getting the Jets. Spot 16 is getting the Patriots. KEMJAH is the code for the random. Andrew Hagan with the Jets. I know he likes the Jets. So there you go. There you go, guys. That's who everybody has. Thank y'all very much. We are done. Timestamp is 9:56. Good luck, guys.